In this video, I'll detail how to turn off system haptics on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and each time you interact with anything on your Apple Watch or you're trying to read a message and then you interacted with the message, then you should feel the haptics on the Apple Watch. So basically here, you can turn off this so that each time you interact with a message, your Apple Watch will stop playing the haptics. So if this is what you want to do, then this video is going to work with you. So if I don't know this video, you found this really fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable or turn off system haptics on your Apple Watch, what you just need to do is press the two crown once to exit the clock face and go to the app menu. On the app menu or app list, click on settings. Now scroll down until you get to sound and haptics. Now scroll down. Under sound and haptics, you should see what is called the system haptics. Then play haptics for system control and interaction. To disable this, just go down, toggle this off. Then once that is disabled, your Apple Watch will stop playing haptics for system control and interaction henceforth. So if you found this lesson informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.